Enter quick parameter settings. When in the shutdown gear, long press the OK key to enter the setting mode. Press the OK key to enter the fast parameter setting. Press the direction key to select sensor settings. Press the OK key to enter. Press the direction key to select the temperature sensor type. Press the OK key to enter the modification state. Use the up, down, left, right keys to change the value. Select the accurate temperature sensor type according to the meaning. Press the OK key to save. Press the stop key again to exit to the home screen.